Hello students, now check out your English notebook, this one. This is your English CW copy and this is your English HW copy. Now take out your English CW copy, okay? And today we are going to do what? Cursive small letter. In our previous class we already have done cursive capital letter from A to Z. Now today we will start from cursive small letter A to D. Today we will do only 4 letters, okay? So you have to write the question in your copy like this. Write in cursive small letter A to D and mention the date, and if you are writing in CW copy, write CW, and if you are writing in HW copy, write HW, okay? Now look at the board. Suppose this is your this is the page of your copy. So in your copy, how you will write? Tell your parents to write this line, first line, okay? So when your parents will write this first line, that is in first line what they have to write? They have to write cursive small letter A. Then after that you have to trace these 3 letters in second line, and then after that you have to write it by yourself. Okay, now we will write cursive capital letter A. So for that, first you have to draw a curved line like this, then go up, make another curved line like this, okay, then make it a circle like this, then come down, don't put your withdraw your pen from the page and make another curved line like this. So this is cursive capital letter A. Again I will write from here, you have to do like this, then this, then this. This is cursive capital letter A, okay? In this way you have to write cursive capital letter A. Which letter is this? Cursive capital letter A. Now we will write cursive capital letter B. From here you have to start, draw a curved line, then a straight line, then again a curved line, half curved line like this, then another curved line like this. This is cursive capital letter B, cursive small letter B. This is cursive small letter A and this is cursive small letter B. This is cursive small letter B. Now after tracing letter B, you have to write it by yourself. Start from here, draw a curved line like this, then a straight line, then another curved line in this way. Which letter is this? This is cursive small letter B. Now we will write cursive small letter C. So for that you have to start from here, draw a line like this, then make a curved line like this. This is cursive small letter C. Now here you have to write it by yourself. Start from here, do like this, then this. From here do like this and this. This is cursive small letter C. Now we will write cursive small letter D, okay? Okay, now we will do cursive small letter D. So how you will write cursive small letter D? Start from here, draw a curved line like this, then go up, make another curved line like this. This is cursive small letter D. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter D. Now you have to write it by yourself. So start from here, make a small curved line, then go up, make another line and then curve, a small curve line like this. This is small letter D, cursive small letter D. Okay, so in this way you have to write this cursive small letter in your copy and write each letter in separate pages. Suppose you have to write cursive small letter D, so in one page you have to write only small letter D. In another page you will write only small letter E, in this way. So we have learned today cursive small letter A, cursive small letter B, cursive small letter C and cursive small letter D. So practice these things in your home. Okay, do the homework. This is your homework. Write in cursive small letter A to D in your notebook. Now we will do maths. For that, take out your maths book. Let's count 1 to 100 and open page number 14. This one, page number 14. What is the topic? More and less. So what is more? Do you know what is more? More means zyada and less means kam. Okay. So now I have made two pictures. This one is also, this is a ball, this is also a ball. So how many balls we have in this side? Let's count. 1, 2. So we have 2 balls in this side. And how many balls in this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls in this side. Okay, now look here, we have 2 balls in this side and 5 balls in this side. So which one is more? This one or this one? 2 is more or 5 is more? Of course 5 is more. Here are lots of balls we have in this side, right? But in this side we have only 2 balls. So that means this is more. More means zyada. Now look here, इधर पे ज़्यादा बॉल है ना, इधर पे कम बॉल है. That means this is more and this is less. Okay. Now we will do the exercise. Now look here. What is written here? Tick the groups that has more objects and cross the one that has less objects. Here are some groups and in groups there are some objects. So we have to decide whether they are more. If they are more, then we have to tick on the circle. If the objects are less, we have to cross that circle. Okay. So now look here. What are these? These all are apples, right? So here we have apples and in this side also we have apples. But now we have to count and let's see in which side we have more apples and in which side we have less apples. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. In this side we have 3 apples and in this side let's count how many apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples. So where we have more apples? Here or here? Yes, in this side we have more apples. So that's why we have to put a tick mark in this circle. Okay, and we have to put a cross mark in this circle. Now next group, in our next group there are some flowers in both the side. Now we have to find out in which side we have more flowers and in which side we have less flowers. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 flowers in this side and in this side how many flowers? 1, 2. Only 2. So which one is more? This one. So you have to tick this circle. And which one is less? This one. So you have to cross this one. Now look here. Here are some toy cars. Now let's find out in which side we have more and in which side we have less. So let's count. 1, 2. In this side we have 2 cars and let's see how many cars we have in this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 cars in this side, right? So 5 in this side we have more curves, that's why we have to put a tick mark in this side and we have to put a cross mark in this side. So in this way you have to do these two sums, okay. This two is your homework. Now come to the next page, that is page number 15. Here the topic is long and short. Long means lamba, short means chota, okay. Now look, this board is long, right? मेरे से भी बड़ा है ना board, right? So this board is long and I am shorter than this board, right? So there are two pencils. What is the question? The question is, tick the objects that are long and cross the one that are short. We have to tick the long object and cross out the short object. So in each group there are some objects. We have to find out which one is long and which one is short. So in the first group we have two pencils, two colorful pencils, right? So we have to find out which one is long. Long means lamba. कौन सा लंबा है देखो तो? This one. This is from this one is long, right? ये इतना है and this one is इतना बड़ा. So this one is long. So you have to put a tick mark in this circle and put a cross mark in this circle, okay? Now look, in second group there are two animals. One is rabbit, another one is cow. So can you tell me who is long, rabbit or cow? Yes, cow is long, right? So you have to put a tick mark in this circle and cross mark in this circle, okay? Now next is, in next group we have two rope. One is a small rope, another is a big rope, a long rope. So which one is long? This one. So put a tick mark in this circle and cross mark in this circle, okay? And rest of the part is your homework. This one is your homework. Do it in your home. You can also note down the homework, pause the video and note down the homework. What is the homework? Let's count 1 to 100, lesson 9 and 10, page 14 and 15. Do it in your book, okay? Okay, now we will do in maths notebook, okay? We will do these things in our maths notebook. So you have two notebook, one is CW and another one is HW. Now take out your CW copy and in your CW copy you have to mention the date, and if it is your CW copy, you are doing in your CW copy, mention CW, and if you are doing in your HW copy, mention HW. And after that you have to write this question with the help of your parents. So what is the question? Write counting numbers 61 to 80, and when you will write in your copy you have to write in this way, okay? Now you have to write the question in this way, then write this number 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, then come to the next page 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Then turn the page and come to the another page and write the rest of the part 76, 77, 78, 79, 80 and leave this box. And why? Because you have to write these numbers in these boxes, okay? Like you have written, your parents have written 76 here, so leave one line and start writing from here 7, 6, 76, then again leave one line, then again write here 7, 6, 76. In this way you have to write. So now look at the board. We will read this number counting starting from 61 to 80. Now read with me. 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 6, 7, 67, 6, 8, 68, 6, 9, 69, 7, 0, 70, 7, 1, 71, 7, 2, 72, 7, 3, 73, 7, 4, 74, 7, 5, 75, 7, 6, 76, 7, 7, 77, 7, 8, 78, 7, 9, 79, 8, 0, 80. So learn these things in your home, that is number counting from 61 to 80. In our previous class we have already done from 1 to 60. Now today we have done this from 61 to 80. Practice this number counting in your home and learn all the numbers. Okay, so this is your homework. You can note it down. What is the homework? Write counting numbers from 61 to 80 and do this in your notebook. Okay. Okay, now we will do the conversation. Okay, so today's question is, what is the name of your class teacher? Do you know what is the name of your class teacher? The name of your class teacher is Miss Pritha Chakraborty. Okay, and this is my name. My name is what? Pritha Chakraborty. So I am your class teacher. So if anyone asks you who is your class teacher, what you will say? Miss Pritha Chakraborty is our class teacher. Okay. Now next question is, what is your home address? So everyone lives in separate places and the name of those places are different from each other. Suppose I am living in Shiliguri and my home address is Mallaguri, and someone lives in Bagdogra, so Bagdogra Airport Mall, someone lives in Goshaipur, so we all have separate home address, right? So what you have to do here, you have to tell about your home address. So if anyone asks you what is your home address, so suppose if anyone asks me what is your home address, so what I have to say? My home address is Mallaguri, Shiliguri. Okay. Now like this, you have to say your home address. Don't say my home address. Whatever I have told you, don't say that. Tell about your home address. Okay. So now Devendri Miss will join us to help us in this question. Okay.
Hello kids, how are you? My name is Miss Devendri Paswan. Today we will do conversation. Okay. So I'll ask Pritha Miss some question. So Pritha Miss, what is the name of your class teacher?
The name of my class teacher is Miss Pritha Chakraborty.
Okay. So, and the next question is, what is your home address?
My home address is Mallaguri, Shiliguri. So, in this way, you have to read this question in your home, learn it properly, and if anyone asks you in this manner, you have to tell them. Okay. Okay, now Devendri Miss, suppose Devendri Miss is the student of class UKG. Okay. Now, if I ask her, what is the name of your class teacher, then what you have to say, Miss?
I say the name of my class teacher is Miss Pritha Chakraborty.
Okay, in this way you have to say the answer. Then if I ask you what is the home address?
My home address is Bagdogra Airport Mall.
So next question is, what is your home address?
My home address is Bagdogra Airport Mall.
Look, we have different home address, right? My home is in Shiliguri and her home is in Bagdogra. Like that, you all have different home address. Okay, so ask your parents about your home address and practice it in your home.
नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। तो आप लोग घर में बैठे क्या कर रहे हो? होमवर्क कर रहे हो ना? तो चलो बच्चों, पहले हमने क्लास में क्या पढ़ा था? व्यंजन। ठीक है, तो बच्चों पहले ये बताओ मुझे, व्यंजन किसे कहते हैं? व्यंजन किसे कहते हैं? स्वर की सहायता से बोलने वाले वर्णों को व्यंजन कहते हैं। ठीक है बच्चों, तो हमने पहले क्लास में कहाँ तक पढ़ा था? अब सभी पहले अपनी कॉपी निकालो। एक है आपका HW और एक है CW। तो अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, क्लास कर रहे हैं, तो क्लास में क्या करते हैं, CW करते हैं ना। तो चलो अब सभी पहले अपनी CW कॉपी निकाल लो और बताओ मुझे कि लास्ट क्लास में हमने कहाँ तक किया था, कहाँ तक किया था, अना तक। ठीक है बच्चों, तो आज हम क्या करेंगे, त से न तक, त से न तक लिखो। तो पहले मैं आपको लिखना सिखाऊंगी और फिर आप लोग उसी तरह से अपनी CW कॉपी में लिखोगे। ठीक है बच्चों, तो देखो यहाँ पे ये क्या है, त, थ, द, ध, न। ठीक है बच्चों, तो हम लिखेंगे पहले त के लिए क्या करना है, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन और एक छोटा सा हाफ सर्कल। ठीक है, आपकी जो कॉपीज में जो लाइन है उससे आपको क्या करना है, टच करना है। ठीक है, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन और एक हाफ सर्कल थोड़ा सा। ठीक है बच्चों, अब हम लिखेंगे थ के लिए भी एक स्ट्रेट लाइन और एक नीचे से हाफ सर्कल को लेके आपको ऊपर की ओर मोड़ देना है। ठीक है, तो ये क्या हो गया, थ। उसके बाद है द को भी कैसे लिखेंगे, एक छोटी सी लाइन फिर एक हाफ सर्कल और अंदर की ओर मोड़ देंगे। ठीक है, ये क्या हुआ, द। फिर है ध, मैंने आपको ध और ध लिखना सिखाया था ना, जैसे 1 2 हम मैथ्स में लिखते हैं 1 2 फिर 3, तो उल्टा 3। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे क्या, उल्टा 3 और एक आ की मात्रा। ठीक है, और ऊपर की ओर थोड़ा सा आपको अंदर कर देना है, तो ये क्या हो गया, ध। फिर आते हैं न की ओर, न के लिए एक स्ट्रेट लाइन फिर एक छोटी सी डैश और अंदर की ओर मोड़ देना है। ठीक है, तो ये क्या हो गया, न। आपकी कॉपीज में ऐसे लाइंस बनी है ना, उस पर ये लाइन जो ये टच होनी चाहिए। ठीक है बच्चों, तो ये क्या है, त, थ, द, ध, न। तो चलो आप मुझे ये बताओ, त से क्या होता है, त से तरबूज। क्या होता है, त से तरबूज। त से क्या होता है, तरबूज। थ से थाली। द से दवा। जब आप लोग बीमार पड़ते हो दवा खाते हो कि नहीं खाते हो, वही। ठीक है, द से दवा, ध से धनुष और न से नल। त से तरबूज, थ से थाली, द से दवा, ध से धनुष और न से नल। तो आज की क्लास में हमने बच्चों क्या पढ़ा, त से न तक, त से न तक लिखो। ठीक है, तो आज आपने क्लास वर्क कॉपी में आपने कर लिया है। अब आपको क्या करना है, अपना गृह कार्य करना है, जो है त से न तक लिखो। आपकी जो SW कॉपी है आपको उसमें सेम इसी तरह से जैसे मैंने लिखना सिखाया आपको लिखना है। ठीक है बच्चों।